Issue 1. Minimal clumpy grounds dispensed, or no grounds at all. Cause: grind setting is set too low, 0 to 5. When coffee grounds absorb moisture from the air, they will clump together and jam the chute. Solution: 1. Empty any remaining beans from the machine. 2. Use a cleaning brush to clean grind chute. Then, run a grind cycle to clear leftover beans inside, and discard the grounds. Remove the burr set, and clean it thoroughly with the brush. Reattach only the bean hopper. Then, run a grind cycle to flush out all residual grounds completely. Reinstall the burr set and bean hopper back into place. 3. Increase the grind setting above 15 to fix the no ground output problem. Issue 2. Too little or too much ground coffee for double shots. Cause: incorrect grind setting. A low fine setting yields insufficient grounds. An overly coarse high setting produces excessive grounds. Solution: 1. Set your grind between level 10 to 15 and fine-tune based on your coffee beans. 2. Press and hold the grind button to start timing dosing. Release the button to automatically save your custom grind duration. Issue 3. Little to no espresso output, or excessively high pressure gauge reading. Cause: grind setting is set to 0 to 5. Overly fine grounds cause extraction failure. Solution: coarsen your grind to 10 to 15 to restore normal extraction. Cause 2. Mineral scale clogs internal water lines if descaling is skipped for around 3 months, restricting brew water flow. Solution: perform a descaling cycle to resolve this. Cause 3. The double filter basket generates higher extraction pressure even with the same grind setting and dose weight. Solution: replace the double filter basket with a single filter basket to lower and stabilize the extraction pressure. Issue 4. Low pressure gauge reading. Grind setting is above 20. Overly coarse grounds create low extraction pressure. Solution: lower your grind setting to below level 15. Cause 2. Stale or moisture-damaged beans will also lead to low extraction pressure. Solution: use fresh coffee beans. Reduce the quantity of beans stored in the hopper. And set the grind below level 15. Cause 3. Insufficient grounds in the portafilter lowers extraction pressure. Solution: fill grounds close to the max line marked on your filter basket. You deserve a better experience.